Hi everyone, my name is Jeffrey Bothof, RN BSN, and I'm going to be showing you how to use a computer program called IN today, or also known as Information Now. Information Now utilizes QR coding. A QR code is a two-dimensional barcode. A QR code can be made to scan any information you really are interested in putting onto a screen. In fact, this is how many different combinations you could have. Below is a picture of what a QR code generally looks like. So what is Information Now? IN is a computer program that utilizes technology currently in use, as well as QR codes for instant access to education, general information, policy, documents, audits, frequently used digital locations, and much more. Using IN, where can QR codes direct the actual user? Well, they can use local restricted communication networks, also known as the intranet, internet, policy software content, computer drives, social media sites, flyers requesting feedback or registration, and much more. So how does IN help? IN guides the user to where and what information is actually needed. So there's no more getting on Google and trusting that the keywords that you search will lead you to the correct location, or getting on the intranet and searching by keywords where exactly you need to go. It allows the organization to determine where the content is as well, and making sure, and as well as make sure that it is aligned with policy and the most accurate every single time. The goals of IN were to allow people to access data as fast as possible, to decrease the incidences of malware downloads by directing users to reputable websites, and decreasing the amount of time for searching just in general. The possibility to incorporate technology for client utilization is also paramount as well. In a hospital setting, for instance, you could take a QR code and scan it and then use it to help a patient learn about a surgery or a medical procedure that they're about to have. What are the anticipated benefits? The decreased time spent looking for information. You're ensuring that the users are utilizing up-to-date and policy-aligned information. This will reduce costs associated with errors and having to go back and look at why those errors occurred. You'll have increased time for user and consumer engagement because the user will be spending less time looking for content. Decreased harm will be associated with less mistakes being made. Generally, the icon would be located on the Windows main screen. For instance, as you can see on this screen, mine is located next to Internet Explorer. When you click on it, a window opens up. You would take the barcode scanner attached to the bedside and scan whichever QR code that you wanted to go to. In this case, it brings us to a total knee replacement surgery education video for patients. It literally happens that fast in real life as well. So to highlight, you click the icon, you scan the QR code, and it automatically brings you to where you need to go. IN utilizes autofocus when it's open, so you don't have to click on the box to start inputting data. IN also uses an auto timer, which automatically presses enter after you scan a code, so you don't have to hit enter again, which is another step that would technically have to take place. These are all different QR codes that I've tested so far, and each one has worked appropriately. So let's see how it works. In this case, I'm pretending like a patient just came to our unit and has a chest tube. I need some troubleshooting. This brought me to the website of Atrium. This will allow me to troubleshoot the actual device to make sure that the patient is receiving the care that they deserve. In this case, I'm being brought to RedCap. which is a tool that we use often to perform auditing. The great thing about this program as well, and many of the QR coders, is that you can use QR codes in different colors, which can help you differentiate between the data that the person is trying to get. Thank you.
Yeah.